Good morning, grade 6.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I am okay, and you?
Okay, so last week we learned about comparing and ordering fraction. When we say order, we are talking about arranging the fractions into types, or like we are arranging the numbers in two ways. So the first is increasing order, where we arrange the fractions from the smallest to the greatest, and decreasing order, where we arrange the fractions from the greatest to the smallest. So today, we'll be learning about the topic addition and subtraction of fractions. So before we move on to our main discussion, let's read the vocabulary. So we have 7 vocabularies. I will be reading. I want you to listen properly, okay? Number 1, sum. 2, add. 3, difference. 4, subtract. 5, list common multiple. 6, multiply. 7, simplify. I'll repeat again. 1, sum. 2, add. 3, difference. 4, subtract. 5, list common multiple. 6, multiply. And 7, simplify. So I will be calling some of you to read. Let's start with Jenny.
Sum, add,
Difference.
subtract, list common, multiply, simplify.
Very good. Thank you for that. Next, June.
Sum, add,
Difference.
difference,
Subtract.
subtract,
Least common multiple.
list common, multiple,
Very good.
multiply,
Simplify.
simplify.
Very good. Thank you. Next, view.
Sum, add, difference, subtract,
Least common multiple.
list common multiple, multiply, simplify.
Very good. Thank you. Next, ton count.
Sum,
Number 2, add.
add,
3, difference.
difference,
4, subtract.
subtract,
5, least common multiple.
list common multiple,
6, multiply.
multiply,
7, simplify.
simplify.
Very good. Thank you for reading. Next, Tengmu.
Sum, add, difference,
Subtract.
subtract, list common multiple, multiply, simplify.
Very good. Thank you. Next, Jan.
Sum, add, difference, subtract, list common multiple, multiply, simplify.
Very good. Thank you. Next, 9.
Sum, add, difference, subtract,
Least common multiple.
Least common multiple. Multiply. Multiply.
Simplify.
Simplify.
Very good. Thank you. So that is our vocabulary. Let's move on. Okay, so we have a definition here. When we see sum, this is the answer of adding numbers. And when we say difference, this is the answer for subtracting number. So when we say sum, what symbol do we use for adding numbers? Is it plus, minus, times, or divide?
Plus.
Plus, very good. How about difference? Subtracting numbers, what symbol do we use? Plus, minus, times, or divide? Minus. Okay, so let's look at some example here. So 1, add 1 over 4 and 1 over 3. First step that we do here is to find the LCM of 4 and 3. What do you think is the answer?
12.
12, very good. So if we say add, what symbol do we use again? Is it plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus, very good. So we will write the method as 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3. Next, what number will we times to 4 to get 12?
4 times 12. 4 times 3 equals 12.
Very good. How about 3?
3 times 4 equals 12.
Okay, so we have 1 times 3 over 4 times 3 plus 1 times 4 over 3 times 4. So let's answer this. 1 times 3 equals?
1 times 3 4. 3 times 3.
3. 4 times 3 equals?
4 times 3 4. 4 times 12.
We will write the answer as 3 over 12 plus 4 over 12. What is the sum of these fractions?
The sum of this fraction. We have to.
We will plus 3 and 4. What is the answer?
7 over 12.
7 over 12. Very good. 7 over 12 is the sum of 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3. So let's move on to number 2. Example, add 1 and 2 over 3 and 2 and 1 over 5. So these fractions are mixed number. First, we need to find the LCM of 3 and 5. What is the answer?
15.
15. Very good. Next, we will convert 1 and 2 over 3 and 2 and 1 over 5 into an improper fraction. 1 and 2 over 3 equals?
1 over 2 equals 5 over 3.
5 over 3. How about 2 and 1 over 5?
2 and 1 over 5 equals 10. Equals 11 over 5.
11 over 5. So 5 over 3 plus 11 over 5. Next step, what do we times to 3 to get 15?
3 times 3 is 5.
Okay, how about 5?
5 times 3.
Very good. We will write it as 5 times 5 over 3 times 5 plus 11 times 3 over 5 times 3. 5 times 5 equals?
5 times 5 equals 25.
Very good. How about 11 times 3?
11 times 3 equals 33 over 15.
Okay, 25 over 15 plus 33 over 15. What is the answer? You add the numerators.
The answer is 58.
Okay, 58 over 15, or we will convert this one into a mixed number. So it will become 3 and 13 over 15. Let's go to the example of subtraction of fraction. Subtract 3 over 5, and 1 over 2. First step again is to get the LCM of 5 over 2, which is 10. Next here is, we will write the method as 3 times 2 over 5 times 2 minus 1 times 5 over 2 times 5. 3 times 2 equals
3 times 2 equals
6. How about 1 times 5?
5.
Very good. We will answer as 6 over 10 minus 5 over 10. 6 minus 5 equals? What's the answer?
1 over 10.
Very good. Our difference is 1 over 10. Now let's go to your activity. Please get your math books and open it on page 111. The answer for letter A is 4 over 5. Next, for letter B, the answer is 1 and 3 over 8. What is the answer for letter C?
Letter C, the answer is 1 over 4.
How about letter D? Okay, 4 and 2 over 3. The answer for letter E is 1 and 1 over 18. And letter F is 1 and 7 over 12. Letter G, the answer is 4 and 9 over 20. And for letter H, the answer is 8 and 13 over 30. So that's it for our class today. And thank you for joining. I'll see you again on Thursday. So have a nice day, grade 6. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.